So hello friends, in this video we will explore about Google Cloud IAM. So let's quickly log in. In this lab we will be having two different users. So we need to log in with each. So open the link in new incognito window. Always remember you must log in with incognito window only. So we will be logging in with two different users in two different tabs. So let's copy the username of first user and then password. Then go to another tab and copy the username of second user, then password, then accept. Okay. So after logging in, go to IAM and admin. And here you will see the roles given to the user 2. So this is user 2 here. Let's accept the terms of services. So now here you can see that student 2, which is our user 2, have a viewer role in this project. So now we will explore, we will give access to cloud bucket to a student 2, and then we will try to access the object with student 2, and then we will remove the permissions, and then we will try if still student 2 is able to access the object or not, and then we will add back the permission. So let's start with it. So first thing we need to do is create an object bucket. So let's create an object bucket. So in student 1, scroll a bit in the navigation bar and go to cloud storage. Click create bucket. Then paste the object ID here and click continue. Choose the multi-region, click continue, and select fine grained, click continue and create. So now our object bucket is ready. So now let's upload something. So we need to create one file. Let's go to File Explorer, create new text file and rename it to sample, and then just drag and drop this file into storage bucket. So it will be uploaded. So a file is uploaded now here, and now we need to check if the user 2 is able to access that file. So switch to a user 2 tab and then go to cloud storage. And here is the bucket which we just created, and see user 2 is able to access this sample.txt. So let's our first task is already completed here. So now we need to remove the project access. Sorry. So now we need to remove the project access. So let's go to that section first. Remove project access. So first we need to switch back to user 1. And then here in from user 1 we need to delete a viewer role. So let's go to user 1, then go to IAM and admin, and then select user student 2 here and click on this pencil icon. And after this, just delete this role. Click on the delete button and click save. So now the permission is gone, and let's try to refresh if the object is still if the bucket is still accessible or not. So let's refresh. So now we can see that permission is gone and object and user2 is unable to access the object bucket, any object in the bucket. So a task, and the last task is now to again give the permissions, and let's see if the user2 is able to access or not. So we need to copy the mail ID, user ID of user2, and copy and paste in the principals, and in the role you need to give this role storage viewer, storage object viewer. Copy it here and paste, and click save then. So now we have given user to storage object viewer permission. So now let's try to refresh here. Okay, let's wait a bit. It will take little time. A task is already completed, but it's taking time to propagate the permission we just edited. So thank you so much.